this whole family? You don't belong here! You've been a failure your entire life. Don't let us be there, Dad. We never cared about your pathetic love.
Having you as our father has been embarrassing.
Vanessa, we're completely finished.
All they gave me back was betrayal. From now on, I only live for myself.
How dare they? I'll kill them. He's just nobody. Only because of you, she's gotten this far. Even Luca's job and Isabella's recommendation letter. Are you gonna let them go?
She's always been proud. If she knew my real identity, it would crush her.
Are you never going back?
And she'd never choose me. I can't lose her. So whatever she wants, I'll make it happen. Even if it's in the shadows.
You were the mafia boss, but now, they treat you like dirt. Vincenza, how could you let this happen? And because of her, you didn't even make it to Aunt Julie.
Mom, what happened? I'll be there right away.
Wait! You're leaving me too?
My mother's in the hospital. I have to go, Sophia.
No, what about me? Don't leave! What if you leave and never come back?
With Andy and the doctors there, Mom should be okay.
There. No more interruptions.
This should end now. Take care of something for me.
Bella, call the repair stop again. Tell them to hurry over. Mom, it's about Christmas. Everyone's off with their families. No one's taking calls.
Whenever the car broke down before, Dad fixed it right away. It's on me. I'm just not as reliable as Vincent. I couldn't even handle something simple.
All he's good for is this kind of work. You're the one who helps me close investments. You handle the big jobs.
Hello?
I just saw Vincent with Mrs. Ross, the CEO of Corleone Group. They look close, like old friends.
What's wrong? Who's that?
Someone saw Vincent with the Corleone Group CEO. They were like old friends. What if Vincent told Mrs. Ross everything?
What? Then what about my mom's investment? And I'm counting on this to go full time!
He just can't stand seeing me succeed. He's pulling dirty tricks to ruin my company. How could I fall for him? Liam, tell me, what do I do now?
Don't worry. Corleone saw your potential. That's why they invested. It won't fall apart over a few words. I'll call Miss Ross and put in a few good words myself.
Everything's in place. Now we wait for the gala in 3 days. You've done all of this for her, and take it back now?
Andy, you know why a wounded wolf hides away to lick its wounds alone? Not to wait for death. To remember the pain and come back to tear out the hunter's throat. Miss Ross, this is Liam.
It's regarding the investment in Lusoria. I hope you won't let rumors cloud your opinion of the company.
Lusoria's founder, Miss Corleone, is a highly talented designer. She's a good person. Missing out on her would be a huge loss for Corleone Group.
It is based on numbers and potential. Tell Sophia to be ready for the banquet in 3 days. We've got quite a surprise waiting for her.
What did Mrs. Ross say?
Hey, it's all taken care of. She invites you to enjoy the banquet, and a surprise is waiting for you. My guess?
beside the entosment, they're probably handing a luxury brand over to you to run it. And from what Mrs. Ross, even the ever-elusible Mr. Corleone will make an appearance. He'll be there to back you.
You mean that Mr. Corleone? The man the president doesn't even refuse?
Oh my God, Mom! This is insane! With Mr. Corleone backing you, we're in the big leagues!
Awesome! No more pretending at those society parties. We can walk in and they'll come to us.
Sophia, I've waited for you for years. Don't forget me when you make it big.
Forget you? No, Liam. You're everything to me.
After tonight, your name's not just going to be respected in fashion. Trust me, Corleone's investment is only the beginning.
All thanks to you, Liam. God, this place feels unreal. More upscale than any party I've ever been to.
After Mom secures the deal, we'll be the ones everyone's watching. Sophia, congratulations. Once the Corleones back you, you're not only building a fashion brand, but also the richest businesswoman in LA. Please, even the president shows his respect to Mr. Corleone. Just don't forget us little people when you hit the top. If a tiny piece of your business ever falls off the table, I'd be honored to catch it.
Champagne, Mrs. Corleone.
Oh, I've just been lucky enough to meet the right people.
Ever since Uncle Liam came into our lives, everything's gotten better. Mom finally made it. Top fashion company. Look around. Who'd dare look down on us now?
Honestly, I've never seen Mom this alive before. Seems being with the right person changes everything.
Of course, being with a guy whose biggest achievement was folding laundry? Ridiculous. Only Uncle Leah can match Mom.
Mr. Corleone is arriving soon. Stay sharp. FDA cleared the route. 2 escorts are already in the air. You'll be wheels down at the gala in 5.
Can you believe this? Corleone hasn't appeared in 20 years, yet he's here today. He's not just rich. Even the government answers to him. Half the world makes money because he allows it.
Look at them, born into power. And us, we're still waiting for someone to give us a way up.
If Mom impresses Corleone tonight, everything changes for us. If he makes me his goddaughter...
When you speak to Mr. Corleone, mention my name. One word from you could move me a lot higher, be in a better position to help you.
Easy. I got you. Mr. Corleone will be here any minute.
This kind of world was never what Vincent meant. He could have come and broadened his horizons. That jobless joke? Please, Dad would have embarrassed himself in under 5 minutes. People like Mr. Corleone can smell desperation a mile away.
Yeah, this isn't some neighborhood Christmas party. Mom worked too hard to get here. Don't let him ruin it.
Honey, you're about to make it big. I'll always be by your side.
Oh my God, Mr. Corleone is here!
Click the link below to watch the full video.